Devo Testimonies, stories of courageous hope, encounters of a mother's love.
Kasi the first time, sobrang haba nung pila, no? Parang it took me 3 hours, nighttime yun, no? Just to see her. So parang very short yung moment namin ni Inay, although very intimate, no? Kasi syempre yung, di ba, the struggle of lining up, tapos for that very intimate second or a minute na mahawakan siya, it's worth the wait. Pero this time, she spoke to me. No? Parang we had an eye-to-eye contact. And that eye-to-eye contact is very rare. No? Parang ngayon ko lang naranasan. And grabe, iba yung feeling, iba yung message siya. Many graces regarding stability sa family. And tapos, usually yung mga urgent needs no family. But siguro nga, sabi mo, yung greatest gift no, na ibigay niya, I think is my vocation. No? The fact that I've entered the seminary for 9 years. No? Tapos ngayon, actually when I had my regency, naging daan si Inay, no? Kasi nasa labas ako, tapos syempre I have the luxury of time. Tapos nabalitaan ko ibababa siya. Tapos I went here, tapos dun sa line na yon, I am having that discernment, no? For another calling, no? Kasi ano na ako nasa seminary na ako, tapos parang there is another calling within my calling to be a priest, and that is to be a monk, no? Yung monastic living. So ngayon, I'm in the monastery for 3 years, and I am on my simple profess year, no? I actually renewed my simple vows, no, last April. Tapos since then, alam mo yun, yung guidance niya, yung comfort na binibigay niya sa akin, yung assurance that she is always there for me, no, na yung confirmation niya of that intimate calling it didn't fade, na mas na-intensify. Tapos lalo na itong moment na to, yung look na nakita ko sa kanya, that intimate look, no, speaks a lot. Actually, there's no words, no words to express, to explain, not even to compose what the message conveyed to me. But I think, no, the immediate message is her message of assurance na nandito lang ako. Medyo emotional, pero I felt like Jesus, no? Parang he is running towards her mother, to the point na nalaglag yung sandals. And that's how I am coping up with this vocation, with my monastic journey. No, I'm always running towards my mother. And yung point ng titigan, that assured me na hawak niya ako, na dala-dala niya ako, na hindi niya ako bibitawan, tsaka lagi siyang nandyan para sa akin. So regarding my mother, no, if a lot of seminarians or even priests would tell na their vocation came from an inspiration of a priest, a bishop, a religious, no? I can say that my vocation came from my mother. Not because she entered the religious life before, or yung meron siyang inclination to enter a cloister or whatever, but her faithfulness, no, to her married life, her dedication for her family, and that deep devotion to that God who sustains her is a big inspiration for me, no? She's an inspiration why I pursue, why I remain, why I stay, no? Answering God's call. And parang my vocation is always equated to my mother. Malaking part ang nanay ko kung nasan ako ngayon. Nanay, maraming salamat, no, sa lahat. Alam mo yon, araw-araw pinapaalala ko sa iyo kung gaano kita kamahal. At salamat dahil itinuro mo ko kay Nanay Maria. Ikaw yung instrumento para mas makilala ko siya. At ikaw yung nagpakita sa akin, no, kung gaano niya ako kamahal. At buong buhay ko, yung utang na loob ko sa iyo. At mahal na mahal kita, pero mas mahal na mahal ka ng Diyos. I am Dom Francisco Maria V. Ramos of the Order of St. Benedict. I am a simple professed monk of the Abbey of Our Lady of Montserrat in Manila.